What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. Finally, really finally. Here I go. Final assembly. Everything works, so wow. Couple of things. I made new video about update CSX GEET44AC. What's going on? Pico Alexander, what's going on, man? So on DCC Train main channel, I did update video update how to upgrade software for lock programmer, and I'm using it right now. I'll show you the tip. It's very simple, and I already did it in other videos. Something changed in YouTube, so asking me for capturing something, whatever. Anyway, so per customer request, and we agree, because not a lot of functions, and I didn't know in this type of the locomotive with that specific Canadian railroad, the headlight and number boards. That's what I told, and that's what I did. Hey, Hamilton, Ohio? Great, my man. Hamilton, not far. Very cool. The number boards and headlight is turning on, and headlight is not directional. So I put number board. So if it's no lights, and then no number board. We agree, and we cool, and I'm cool. So we'll go over real quick all those crazy, not really crazy wiring. Yeah, before it was crazy. Original problem, the number board from Bowser. Something happened with this. It started burning the ditch lights, and I didn't go any further, so I immediately took it out. I burned like my extra ditch lights, just LEDs, when I tried to figure out what's going on. Yeah, it's a bunch of elements. Now a bunch of elements I did stop investigating, so it's just not wasting time. So everything the same. That's Luck Sound Select version, select like previous before 5. Decoder body. I'm still using means I'm using this as well, even I'm not taking any means everything outputs just from that to boards for LEDs showing the status of the train and all that other functions, outputs for LEDs original. So the only one thing I make, the original problem was LEDs not matching the color. Yes, the original headlight design kind of not really nice, and it's also shooting from that small area, that's original LED, from here shooting up through the path. It's just, if you guys cool with this, but it won't be bright. So they really did mismatching with the ditch lights, because ditch lights original LED shooting straight from the crystal. All right, same thing in the back, but my customer is very main concern about headlight. So, and the rest of the same. Next video we'll go over. Next video will be like testing. So here I go. What I did, I cut that board with LED, like small path, rewire everything to the decoder body, that board disconnecting, for if you have all your LEDs tracing wires, if you need a maintenance or do something, even I mean especially for assembly, you're just taking that plug and you have two pieces. In this case, and it's fine, I just use that little bit extension, the color wires here, to my custom LEDs up front. some of the videos showing like more details. And this is it. This is just what we're going to do. We're going to assemble it. No kidding. On any train show, maybe if it's summertime, I didn't look at the schedule. Definitely at Lakota. Yeah, Lakota means very positive at Lakota in Dayton like last year. Yes, sir. Try maybe some swap meets through the summer. Okay, so let's just put together so it's not in pieces. That's very important. The only two wires going, see right there. The rest of like just perfectly fine. And it's enough space in that area near board and number boards. Like it's the cab. There is the cab, but of course I already did it. See if it's working. And main thing is those kind of spring contacts going exactly to here. Definitely need to clean them. I don't think so. They made of like super nice plated kind of some plated stuff. So definitely clean them. So it looks good, and here is some kind of springs. Those working fine. Again, I already tested, so it should be any surprises. Next video will be I'll run it full whistle and bells. Okay, now we're going to look at the programmer. Yeah, try some local, man. Not far than Indianapolis, Dayton, maybe another 50 miles. If some small cities like swap meet, yeah, I'll definitely do. I have tons of stuff. Okay, I'll definitely put a note and maybe make short video on the website, our new website. It's same website dctrain.com, but it's remodeled totally. Okay, so now we're going to look at the window. One more time, I have new video how to update the programmer. Usually the message for update of new firmware, which is right now, is about like programmer 519. There are probably some bugs, or again, better have the newer guys testing everything and make sure it's cool. I already saved my file under SD40-2 number board Canada, just for the reference. If reset, I can look at CVs real quick and tell the customer readjust something. But the tricky part, and it's relatively simple, but again, in this case, I want number board on the headlight, which is it's physically output connected to the number boards. And here, see F0 front light, and now I'm changing. Before it was directional and it was forward like this, but I'm selecting ignore, so doesn't matter what it's traveling, it will be on as soon as I hit F0 button. So it's already programmed. I'm not messing with this, and saved. But that's how you're doing. So it's a lot of different. It's for all available functions. Also, you can remap the function, but that's definitely video for another day about the programmer. That's it. So that's how you're doing. Okay, CSX, I'm going to try to call you and let you know what train show I'm going to be at. Yeah, man, sure. Email better. dcctrain@gmail.com. That's 100%. listed on new website. So we're done with this. Now we're going back to the top camera, and I'm putting couplers, and we're testing it. Those are very precise, and I need to look which way they're going. Excuse me, because I make sure. Okay, so it's grabbing from the right to the left, the hook. So it's like grabbing like this way. That is correct. Not sure, but that's what I got for original. So I think Atheron scale trains, correct me if I'm wrong, they adding more like screws to just make sure the body, especially my suggestion to Bowser, yeah, it should be fine, but with those spring contacts, it's something needs to be done here, like maybe one screw in diagonal. It just me, my 10 cents. Okay, so the size of the screwdriver a little bit over, but oh, I found the original kind of triangular thing for the headlight. I'll show you in a second. Yes, also I can check it's already a little bit weathered. Here we go. Here we go. Nice couplers. Surgeon company, something like this, guys. Put it in the comment later. Yeah, so it's see, it's weathered. Yeah, so because of that spring contact, it's fine. I didn't put couplers yet, so I kind of a little bit not really worry, but yeah, I just put my thumb to, yeah, that's right, to push only rear. The rear wasn't one LED, so not enough contact. Right now it should be fine. So I clean them very good. But that's kind of critical. So one more time, I will be it's going actually to the metric. To the metric for me, I'm just calling if it's not self screw, you know, going to the plastic. No, those going to the metal, which is cool. Maybe my other camera is working, but again, after that I will do like full video. Actually going this way so you can see. Maybe need adjustment of outputs, which is I can check right now, see what, because original setting was totally like almost lower setting possible for the ditch lights, and that's really surprised me when finally they just quit, stop working. They damaged by high voltage. That's what's happened. So we are going to guys, trust me. Okay, we'll just put this window, that's my, and I'm going to the turn ditch lights off, light, go hear like small pop, that means usually sound decoder turning. Not all of them. Yeah, it's speakers great, means the model is great, just with that electronics issue. Took a while. All right, so I'm turning the lights, and I'll switch the camera in a second. I got you, my man. I got you. The thing is blocking right now, which is fine. I don't want to show your number, so I'm definitely hiding it, but I already copied it. I'll text you. All right, so switching to the top camera. Oh yeah, look at this. It's my headlight. Beautiful. And Andrei Silaev, hello sir. And F6 turning the ditch lights, both working perfect. See? And they bright and they nice. So original idea of the Bowser, some other manufacturers doing the same, it's just not working. So that kind of prism, I'm calling prisma in Russian, with I didn't save them. It's like two paths actually for the lenses. It was hard to take it out. They glue or something. Yes, so they gone because I make my own anyway. So the idea was it shooting kind of straight and trying to catch the light beam, but no way it will work good as individual LEDs like I did. So ta-da! We can blow. I didn't scroll. We'll definitely do it in the other video, but for myself I want to scroll with F5 how it's looking. Oh yeah, looking good. 5. One more time, green. You guys see, you'll see it just a little bit. Oh, so good. Yeah, in this case, with properties of the like what kind of train is this, because it's separated, supposed to be. I still no idea which light, and I think that Rob told me that if the too long train cutting and like engine turning, those marker lights with different color tells you like which one first one, second, and third. That's what I know, guys. If you know for sure 100%, leave a comment on what it's supposed to be. Okay, I'm just switching real quick directional lights and see how's everything in the back. Looks good. One LED. I think I need just a bent a little bit contact. It should be working, but it's not. Maybe just they bent it not equally. Again, not big deal. Maybe I need to clean them one more time. Again, I'm not concerned about it. I'll do it offline. So thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like support channel, there is button on DCC Train main channel for membership. PayPal on the left, Patreon on the left, PayPal me on the right. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you soon on the other video on DCC Train at this DCC Train main channel. All right. Have a good one. Bye bye.